Okay, so where are we at right now, Mom?
South Dakota!
Hi, in this short video I'll show you South Dakota, Mount Rushmore State. Settlers moved to South Dakota because of the amazing views and hiking spots. Well, you can say the Dakota Gold Rush was one of the major reasons why they moved, for riches and a good life. Mount Rushmore was built to encourage tourists to visit South Dakota. If you visit, you can see the flags of all states and US territories. Okay, so I'm here in Keystone, South Dakota, and right behind me is the avenue of flags of different states. To keep the miners and the men company, there were brothels. Okay, so I'm in Deadwood, South Dakota, and right behind me is where they had Wild West shooting. And downtown Deadwood. They came in groups, old people included. Well, 1800s wagons, that is. Even the wagon of the wealthy was prone to damages. Before the Europeans, it was settled by the Lakota, Nakota, and Dakota. Try rhyming that. This is bison tail, and this is fur. Crazy Horse from South Dakota says a great vision is needed, and the man who has it must follow as the eagle seeks the deepest of the blue sky. Crazy Horse Memorial was made to honor the great hero. You can grab a rock to remember South Dakota. If you like mountains, you'll love the Badlands, which isn't so bad after all. You'll see a lot of animals and a beautiful view. South Dakota has a lot of land, and with that land, they made a palace for corn lovers. How's the soup?
Lots of heat. Good heat.
Besides the bison, fried bread tacos were essential to indigenous tribes. Okay, so I'm here in South Dakota about to try Indian taco. Let's give it a... Oh, look at that. It's really crispy. Flip it in the sauce. Salsa. Oh, go. More fire, no? More fire? Okay, so I'm here in Rockerville, South Dakota, and right behind me is 1800s houses. Okay, so I'm in South Dakota about to try the chislic. Very juicy. Crispy. There's the beef. And the potato. If you miss eating Asian food, there's lumpia in downtown Rapid City. Overall, if you like Wild West culture and don't like masks, visit South Dakota. So grab your bikes, buy a chislic and a walleye, and enjoy South Dakota. Look at that. There's a lot. They're sleeping after a long days of work. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe for more travel content about different states and different countries. Thank you and have a great day.